Welcome to our tutorial on how to star multiple messages in WhatsApp on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to highlight and save important messages in your chats. Let's get started. To star multiple messages in WhatsApp on your PC, follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Step 2. Go to the desired chat where the messages you want to star are located. Step 3. Right-click on one of the messages within the chat. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select the Select option. Step 5. Now, tap on the rest of the messages you wish to star. Each selected message will be highlighted. Step 6. Finally, click on the star icon located at the top of the chat window to star all the selected messages. By following these steps, you can easily highlight and save multiple important messages in WhatsApp on your PC. This feature can be particularly useful when you want to quickly access and refer back to specific messages in your conversations. Starring messages allows you to easily find and access important information without having to scroll through the entire chat history. It's a great way to stay organized and keep track of important details. That's it. You have successfully starred multiple messages in WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can easily highlight and save important messages in your WhatsApp chats on your PC. Feel free to explore this feature and make the most out of it to enhance your messaging experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy messaging.